Hello everybody, Swami here. Today we are going to see enterprise structure in SAP MM. We can call it as an organization structure also, organizational structure. So we are going to see definition, how we are going to define and how we are going to assign in SAP system itself. I'm going to show you live. So all this organizational structure I'm going to create. Company code I'm going to create, plant I'm going to create, storage location I'm going to create, purchase organization I'm going to create. So company name is SPK101, company code SPK1, plant SPK1, storage location SPK1, purchase organization SPK1. So I'm going to show this in SAP system itself, right? All right. So this is the SAP system. So this is the transaction code area. I'm going to create a company now. Go to SAP works with transaction codes. Okay, go to SPRO transaction code, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, go to enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Normally they call it as organizational structure or enterprise structure or ORG structure. ORG structure. Go to definition, financial accounting, define company. I'm going to define a company. I'm going to create a company. Click onto this IMG activity. This is IMG activity. IMG is nothing but implementation management guide. IMG activity. New entry. Company is SPK 101. So SPK Industries, Group Industries. Country IN. Language EN. Currency INR. City Chennai. Country IN is India. Right? Click onto this disk to save or Control S. So I have created SPK 101 company. Come back. See here SPK 101. Come back. Next is edit company code. I'm going to create a company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click onto this. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit company code data. Now double click onto this. Edit double company code data. New entry. Click new entry. Company code is SPK1. SPK Industries. Description. Company name. Currency INR. Language EN. Country IN. City Chennai. IN is India. See, this enterprise structure is only for SAP material management MM. Okay, only when you create this enterprise structure, you will be able to work in SAP material management MM. SAP MM. Now click onto this disk or Control S to save. Country IN. Press enter. Click on to continue. Now come back. Come back. So I have created SPK1 company code. Come back. If you want to take it, come back. Again, if you want to see it, double click onto this edit company code data. Go to position. Click onto position SPK1. So you can see this. You can double click and you can see. Right? Come back. Come back. So press escape or click onto this close button. Minimize this. I'm minimizing this. Go to. Now I'm going to create a plant. in logistics general. Edit, copy, delete, check, plant. Define plant. New entry. Plant is SPK1. SPK plant. So select, click onto this, select factory calendar. I am selecting factory calendar 01 standard. Save it. Country IN. Press enter to continue. Come back. Come back. So I have created plant also. Minimize this. Go to material management. Maintain storage location. Storage location will be inside the plant. Click on to IMG activity. Plant is SPK1. New entry SPK1. ROH is raw material. Storage location. Storage location for raw material. Click on to save. Come back. I have created storage location. Click on to maintain IMG activity. Click on to maintain purchase organization. I'm going to create a purchase organization. New entry SPK1. Purchase organization. Now save. Control S, save, or click onto this disk, floppy disk. Now come back. Back. Now I have created company code, plant, storage location, and purchase organization. So now I'm going to do assignment. So I'm going to assign company code to company, plant to company code. I'm going to assign, and then purchase organization to plant and purchase organization to company code. I'm going to do assignment. Okay. I have done the definition. I have created the organizational structure. Now I'm going to assign it. Go to assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company. Now go to position, go to company code SPK1. See here, enter company. SPK101 is my company. Now press enter and save. If you enter something wrong, system will not allow you to save. I am entering wrong company. See, it displays error message. Right? Now SPK101. Either you can enter it directly or you can select it from this menu. SPK101. See here, SPK101. Press enter and save. Control S is save. Now come back. Now minimize this. Logistics general. Assign plant to company code. So there is a new entry here. So go for new entry. Wherever there is a new entry, go for new entry. If there is no new entry button available here, then take it from the position and assign it. Okay. New entry, company code is SPK1. Plant is SPK1. Save it. Control S is save. Come back. Back. Okay. Minimize this. So material management. You have to do all the four. Purchase organization to company code, assign purchase organization to plant, assign standard purchase organization to plant, assign purchase organization to reference purchase organization. Assign purchase or now I'm going to do assign purchase organization to company code. Position, purchase organization. There is no new entry here. So I'm taking it from the position. SPK1. Company code is SPK1. Save. Come back. Assign purchase organization to plant. Okay, new entry is here. So I'm going to do new entry. New entry, SPK1, plant is SPK1. Save. Continue. Come back. Back. Assign standard purchase organization to plant. Third. So no new entry here. So I'm going to take it from the position. Go to SPK1. Purchase organization is SPK1. Save. Control S is save. Come back. Right. Assign purchase organization to reference purchase organization. Here purchase organization and reference purchase organization both are same. SPK1. New entry. SPK1. SPK1. Select release order. Select conditions. Save. Okay. Now come back. And I have done definition and assignment. Come back. Okay. If you want to know more about SAP, get in touch with Learn to Win. Learn to Win. Go to Learn to Win. www.learnw.in is the website. Thank you.